There's Choo Choo Kitty outside. Hi, Choo Choo Kitty. She's watching the birds. Now she sees Misty. He's about to jump. She has her paw up.